Alright, I'm out here in the backyard with my Blackstone Griddle. This griddle was purchased for me maybe about a year ago. Got it for Christmas. Actually, it'll be a year this coming Christmas. And my wife and daughters didn't think that I would use it that much. And I've been doing a lot of cooking on it for about 6-8 months now, and got inspired by a gentleman on YouTube with the name of Mr. Homeowner. And tonight I'm going to be cooking some Philly cheesesteaks, thanks to Mr. Homeowner. Alright, I've already preheated the Blackstone here. And I'm going to go ahead and get my oil and get my vegetables on. Tonight we're going to be doing some onion and mushrooms with our Philly cheesesteak. So let's get going. So for Father's Day, I got this Blackstone cover, so I'm going to try it out with cooking the mushrooms and see if it cooks them a little bit quicker than before. I found that using this Blackstone griddle, a lot of heat comes out the side, so I try not to keep too many things on the side tables because it heats everything up. So I like to keep some of my other ingredients on a separate table, and I just reach over and get them. I'm going to go ahead and cover up these onions because these onions look like they're not cooking as quick. See if maybe that helps. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on them, and add a little bit of water to them too. All right, let's see how those do. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move these mushrooms over to this other side here. I got this on some really low heat. I'm actually going to probably turn it off here in a little bit just so they stay warm. Just put these onions, these mushrooms over there. Alright. And let me see how these onions are looking. Yeah, looks like the onions. Okay. Go ahead and turn up the heat a little bit on those, get those going. They're not bad, but they probably need to be cooked up just a little bit more. Cover them back up again. And pretty soon we'll be getting the meat on. Heat up some oil here, and then I'm going to get the meat on. So when I watched Mr. Homeowner, he just said something about some shaved steak or whatever, and when I sent my daughter to the store, we really couldn't find anything called shaved steak, so we ended up with some ribeye. So hopefully this will turn out to be some pretty good cut of meat and pretty good Philly cheesesteak. So here we go with the meat. I'm going to get it on there, and I'm going to pretty much sure it's going to cook quick. Here we go. flip them onto this tray here that I got. I can see that, whoa, a little hot. Thought I was going to only need one tray, but it looks like I might need another one. So you guys hold on 1 minute. I'm going to have to go in and get another tray. I just added another piece of leftover cheese to the top. And here we go. Philly cheesesteak for the first time. I hope it's good. I'm going to go inside and eat it up. Alright guys, I got to say those cheesesteaks were amazing. I really want to say thank you to Mr. Homeowner for turning me on to that recipe, but a huge shout out to my wife for purchasing me this awesome griddle at Christmas time. I've used it a ton. I'm learning a lot. Thank you to my daughter Savannah for filming this, and Caitlin for going to the store and picking out the ribeye. This was one of our best meals that we've had off this griddle, and we really enjoyed it. Like every other Blackstone Griddle user and owner, now it's time to clean the griddle. I know some people probably clean before they eat, but I like to eat my food hot. So we went in and ate, and now it's time to clean it up. Thanks again, everybody. This was my first YouTube video. So if you like it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.